Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need an attention grabber in the first beat. Record or edit an arresting shot within the 0.3-second window so viewers don't scroll past. Once done, confirm your clip is vertical 9, 16 at 1080 x 1920, and the subject is centered. This ensures platform algorithms and eyes lock in. Make sure captions are added with 1-2 short lines so content is accessible and scannable. Then optimize thumbnail frame and place a short hook line in the first caption. You now refine pacing and value so watch time increases. Aim for 15-45 seconds, ideally 20-30, because platforms reward completion and replays. Once set, tighten your edit to 3-5 purposeful cuts that follow a rhythm tied to music beats or spoken cadence so viewers stay engaged. Make sure each segment delivers a clear value, teach, entertain, or surprise, so people feel compelled to finish. Also add a concise on-screen CTA. Concise instructions drive interaction. You're ready to publish. Schedule during 1-3 peak hours for your audience, and write a hooky caption that pairs with 3-8 targeted hashtags to surface in searches and related feeds. Once live, promote via stories, shares, and pinned comments to boost early engagement. Platforms weight this heavily. If views lag, troubleshoot by testing a new thumbnail, re-editing the first 3 seconds for a stronger hook, or swapping audio. These changes commonly flip performance without redoing the whole reel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.